Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Once again, the latest system we've been watching, which became a tropical storm over the weekend, has now weakened some. It's tropical depression, Karen, located there in almost the northeast Caribbean. Kind of lashed the windward islands earlier. Trinidad and Tobago saw quite a bit of flooding as well as gusty winds and rough and hazardous seas, but the wind's now down to about 35 miles an hour. Moving to the northwest at 13 miles an hour. Forecast to remain a tropical depression through the night tonight and through the day tomorrow, bringing squally, stormy weather. The main thing is going to be the potential for flash flooding over Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. Then after that, it does have an opportunity to strengthen once again to become a tropical storm. This is the Thursday, Friday, Saturday time frame. I know some models have been showing that it makes a trek all the way west of Florida. Way too early to count that. It's a possibility, but it's a very, very low possibility at this point. Here's Tropical Storm Jerry to the north. This is the other system we've been watching. It is going to threaten Bermuda, but most likely as a tropical storm that Tuesday night into Wednesday. Remember, Umberto was the last storm that moved across Bermuda, and that was a hurricane just a week ago. So there's Jerry tonight. See the southwest wind shear on that. The low-level center is exposed there. And look at Karen. Wow, what a mess down here in the eastern Caribbean. As you can see, kind of just a general swirl in that general area. These little lines of clouds here that are moving away. Those are usually a good indication of dry air in the atmosphere that is kind of working its way through the system, causing these big gusty drafts, squall lines to gust out. So that's not an indication that Karen is going to be getting its act together anytime soon. In fact, the water vapor loop shows a lot of dry air. And look at the shear. Man, these little cloud elements are just zipping along. Those are not good conditions for any type of tropical system, and that's what's keeping the lid on Karen. And Jerry's not helping out either, because look at these cloud elements also. They're going down, kind of helping to squash Karen. Here's our Windjammer Resort camera this afternoon. The breeze still up, but it's come down some. Still some waves out there. And it's 86 in Miami, 83, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 87, and Key West. 3 on the stickiness scale. Humidity's fairly comfortable. It's finally a break from the summertime oppressive humidity. Feels like temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 80s. All that moisture we saw over the weekend has been replaced by some very dry air, but late in the week, a little bit of moisture works its way back in, so a little better chance for showers as we head towards the end of the week and maybe even the weekend. Here's our forecast then for tonight. It's looking pretty good. Going to be a pleasant night, a little bit cooler inland. We may touch the upper 60s inland, mid 70s along the beaches. Tomorrow, look for a good deal of sunshine, nice and dry once again. High temperature in the upper 80s, very similar to today. The winds may be down just a little bit though. Forecast for boaters, northeast 10, 2 to 3 foot seas on the water, a light chop on the bays, and taking us through the rest of the week. Looking very nice and fall-like. Chance for showers late in the week. Back to you.